Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for January 23rd, 2026. Today's episode brings you up to speed on the biggest moves in the world of digital assets, from custody breakthroughs on Wall Street to new global crypto regulations. First up, big news for institutional crypto. BitGo, a leader in cryptocurrency custody with over $90 billion in assets under management, has priced its U.S. initial public offering at $18 per share. Shares of BitGo are expected to debut on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BitGO. This places BitGo's valuation north of $2 billion and marks the first time a dedicated crypto custodian is going public in the U.S. The launch signals just how serious Wall Street is about secure storage for digital assets and could further boost investor confidence in the ecosystem. Turning to regulations, Vietnam just opened its official licensing window for digital asset trading platforms. Local securities firms and major banks are lining up to apply, but the licensing rules are some of the toughest in Asia. Applicants need over $380 million in capital and must be mainly Vietnamese-owned. This move is part of a pilot program to bring crypto under formal oversight and could lead to safer, more transparent trading for the country's fast-growing crypto user base. The world will be watching to see how many platforms win approval in such a competitive environment. And a quick look at the future of digital assets. ARK Invest has just released their Big Ideas 2026 report, projecting that crypto could reach a market cap of $28 trillion by 2030. They see Bitcoin alone potentially hitting close to $1 million per coin, driven by institutional adoption, like ETFs and treasury reserves, as well as the explosive growth in smart contract platforms such as Ethereum and Solana. ARK also predicts a massive wave of tokenization with up to $11 trillion in real-world assets set to go on-chain over the next 4 years. According to ARK, crypto is quickly maturing into a global institutional asset class, and investors may want to keep their eyes on these long-term trends. That's all for today's roundup. We covered BitGo's landmark IPO, Vietnam's bold regulatory step, and why major analysts see a booming decade ahead for digital assets. For more news and detailed analysis, subscribe to this podcast and visit our latest blog post at silklogic.ai/2026/01/23/Bitcoin Crypto Daily Podcast -01-23-2026. Catch us tomorrow for your next essential crypto update.